number 4. If x minus iy equals root of a minus ib divided by c minus id, then prove that x square plus y square the whole square equals a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. I take the RHS. I have root of a minus ib divided by c minus id. I denominator la irukku, so I need to find the conjugate. So c plus id divided by c plus id. Correct? So put a bracket. So when I multiply each and every term, I have root of ac plus iad minus ibc minus bd I square. Okay? Divided by a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. id the whole square. So I have ac plus bd plus I times ad minus bc divided by c square plus d square. Okay, so now this is my x minus I y. So if in the square root illana, we could have equated the real part and the imaginary part. You cannot split the square root, right? Root of a plus b is not equal to root of a plus root of b. This is not true. So adnala you can't split them and equate the real and the imaginary parts. So what am I going to do? Now I'm going to square on both sides. So I have x minus iy the whole square equals ac plus bd by c square plus d square plus I times ad minus bc divided by c square plus d square. So when I open my LHS, I have x square plus y square minus 2ab including the I. So this is ac plus bc divided by c square plus d square plus I times ad minus bc divided by c square plus d square. So now after removing the square root, I can equate the imaginary and the real parts. Correct? So now x square plus y square is ac plus bc by c square plus d square. Appo minus 2xy is nothing but this term without the I. So ipo enna pannalam? You know a basic formula. So you have a plus b the whole square formula, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add and subtract plus 4ab. So enna pandren? So I have add plus 4ab and subtract minus 4ab. So what do I have? A square plus b square 2ab minus 4ab is minus 2ab plus 4ab. So I have a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. So remember this relation. So you have a plus b the whole square is a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. So you need to find what your a plus b the whole square is. Okay. So here you have a square plus b square. B square and I square y square. So you will have minus here. Okay. So I have x square plus I square y square. I square is nothing but minus 1. So I have minus 1. Okay. So x square minus y square minus 2xy. Now what is my next step? X square minus y square is this term. 2xy is this term. So now I need to find the value of x square plus y square the whole square is nothing but, according to this formula, it is x square minus y square the whole square plus 4ab, which is x square y square. Okay. So this is nothing but x square minus y square and x square minus y square is the real part. So it's ac plus bc divided by c square plus d square the whole square plus 4x square y square, which is 2xy the whole square. So I have minus 2xy. So actually 2xy oda value enna? Minus 2xy is this term. So 2xy is minus of this term. So it will be minus ad minus bc divided by c square plus d square the whole square. It is 2xy the whole square. Yeah? So this open panna enna agum? I'll have ac plus bc the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So ac bc. So it is abc square divided by c square plus d square the whole square plus minus the square panna, you get a plus sign. AD minus BC the whole square. So adena varum A square plus B square minus 2AB. So 2ABCD. Sorry, this is AC minus BD. So you have a D here, okay? You have a D here. Don't mess up with the values. So you have D square, you have ABCD, you have ABCD, okay? Change wherever I've written C, okay? Divided by C square plus D square the whole square. இப்போ denominator common இருக்கு. So numerator என்ன இருக்கு? A square C square B square D square A square D square B square C square, okay? Plus 2ABCD and minus 2ABCD will get cancelled. So I have A square C square plus B square D square plus A square D square plus B square C square divided by C square plus D square the whole square. But denominator la எனக்கு C square plus D square வேணும். I have a square term, so I have to cancel one of the terms. Numerator la I need A square plus B square. So I'm trying to see if I can take something common. So what do I take? A square common adutha I have C square plus D square. Again, if I take B square to be common, I'll have C square plus D square, okay? Divided by C square plus D square the whole square. So now I'm left with, when I take C square plus D square in common, so I have C square plus D square times A square plus B square divided by C square plus D square the whole square. So இப்போ இந்த C square D square போய்டும், ஒரு term போய்டும். So I'll be left with A square plus B square divided by C square plus D square. Hence proved. Okay. So basically what did I do? I have a question. I have I in the denominator. I found the conjugate. Conjugate லாம் பண்ணி multiply பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா I got a term inside the square root. I cannot split the square root to equate the real and the imaginary parts. So what did I do? I'm squaring on both sides. A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square. But B another IY. IY the whole square is I square Y square, which is minus 1 times Y square. So you have a minus here. Minus 2XY. So here I have the real part and an imaginary part. So now I'm equating the real and the imaginary part. So this is my real part. And this is my imaginary part. Okay. So minus 2xy is AD minus BC divided by C square plus D square. So in the relation enna A plus B the whole square is nothing but A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. Plus 4AB x square y square terms la eduna eppadi irukum? X square plus y square the whole square is what you need. A is x square and B is y square. So equate panna A minus B the whole square times 4AB. So in the 4AB is nothing but 4x square y square, which is 2xy the whole square. Correct? So 2xy another, it will be AD minus BC by C square plus D square. So minus in the term. So this I am opening. A plus B the whole square form. This A minus B the whole square form. Minus to the power 2 is plus. Okay. So the minus sign goes off. Then plus 2 ABCD minus 2 ABCD cancel item. So when I cancel, I have these left. I need C square plus D square in the denominator and A square plus B square in the numerator. So I'm trying to see what I can take in common. A square and B square in common at I have C square plus D square. When I cancel these two, I get the required term. Okay. Question number 5, first subsection. Convert the following in the polar form. So 1 plus 7i divided by 2 minus I the whole square. So you have to find the modulus and the argument. So first denominator open பண்றேன். So I have 1 plus 7i. A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Yeah? So it will be 4i minus 4i. So I have 1 plus 7i divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 4i. I have I in the denominator, so I need to find the conjugate. So I multiply it by 3 plus 4i divided by 3 plus 4i bracket. So when I multiply each and every term, 1 into 3 is 3 plus 4i plus 21i plus 28i square divided by A square minus B square. So 9 minus 4i the whole square. So which is 3 minus 28 and 28i square is minus 28. 3 minus 28 is minus 25 minus 25 plus 4i plus 21i is 25i divided by 9 plus 16, which is minus 25 plus 25i divided by 25. Either split panna na go 25 by 25 is minus 1 plus 25 by 25 is 1 I. So it is minus 1 plus I is my z. This is of the form x plus iy. So what is my value of x? Minus 1. What is the value of y? 1. So r is nothing but root of x square plus y square, which is root of minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, which is root of 1 plus 1, 2. So r வந்து root 2. You need to find your theta. So r cos theta equals x. Root 2 cos theta equals minus 1. Cos theta equals minus 1 by root 2. And what is my sin theta? R sin theta equals y. Root 2 sin theta equals 1. Sin theta equals 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 na, my theta is 45 degrees, which is pi by 4. But I need to find out which quadrant it is in. So all silver teacups panna, all silver teacups. All na ellame positive. Yes na, only sin is positive. Only tan is positive, only cos is positive. So in the sin positive, cos negative. Sin positive na, we are in the second quadrant. So second quadrant. So what is my value of theta? Pi minus theta. So it will be pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. So this is my argument. So polar form எப்படி இருக்கும்? R times cos 3 pi by 4 plus I times sin 3 pi by 4. So this is my polar form. Okay.